English Easy Speaking.
Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster and boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new English practice video. In this lesson, you'll train your brain to speak English more fluently. We'll follow a fun, 4-part structure. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Stay with me, repeat out loud, and by the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Part 1, listening practice. Listen carefully to the conversation. Don't repeat yet. Just listen and understand.
Hi, Emma. Do you have a minute?
Sure, David. What's going on?
I wanted to ask if I could take a day off tomorrow.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. I just have a personal appointment.
I see. Have you finished your tasks for this week?
Almost. I'll finish everything today.
Okay, that sounds fine. You can take the day off.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Just let me know if you need anything.
Part 2, vocabulary.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases from the conversation.
Day off. A day when you do not work. Examples. I'm taking a day off tomorrow. She needs a day off to rest. David asked for a day off.
Hey, you taking a day off?
Sterling, this is day off. Sterling, this is day off. Come in, over.
Justice doesn't take a day off.
Personal appointment. A private meeting or task, usually not related to work. Examples. I have a personal appointment in the afternoon. He didn't explain his appointment. David had a personal appointment.
We'll be glad to make you a personal appointment.
I was actually personally appointed by Mr. Logan Roy.
Advisor means that I have been personally appointed regional captain because...
Appreciate. To be thankful for something. Examples. I really appreciate your help. She appreciated his honesty. David said he appreciated Emma's support.
Look, I appreciate it. Look, I know a lot of...
I appreciate it.
I appreciate your friend Bobby Fish. We all did some impressive...
All right. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate you.
Remember, repetition is the key to fluency. Watch this video more than once. Answer the questions out loud. And keep practicing every day. The more you repeat, the faster you'll improve.
Part 3, listen and answer practice.
Now, let's check your understanding of the conversation. I'll ask questions, you answer out loud before I reveal the correct answer.
Hi, Emma. Do you have a minute?
Sure, David. What's going on?
Did David ask Emma if she had a minute? Yes, he did. He asked her if she had a minute. Who did David talk to? Emma. He talked to Emma.
I wanted to ask if I could take a day off tomorrow.
Is everything okay?
What did David want to ask? He wanted to ask for a day off. He wanted to take a day off tomorrow. Did Emma ask if everything was okay? Yes, she did. She asked if everything was okay.
Yes, everything is fine. I just have a personal appointment.
Was everything fine with David? Yes, it was. Everything was fine. Why did David need a day off? Because he had a personal appointment. He needed it for a personal appointment.
I see. Have you finished your tasks for this week?
Almost. I'll finish everything today.
Did Emma ask about David's tasks? Yes, she did. She asked if he had finished his tasks. Had David finished all his tasks? No, he hadn't. He had almost finished them. When will David finish his work? Today. He will finish everything today.
Okay, that sounds fine. You can take the day off.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Just let me know if you need anything.
Did Emma allow David to take a day off? Yes, she did. She allowed him to take a day off. Did David thank Emma? Yes, he did. He thanked her and said he appreciated it. What did Emma say at the end? She said, "No problem. Just let me know if you need anything."
Great job! Keep answering out loud. Your brain learns faster that way.
Part 4, Shadowing Practice.
Now, it's time for shadowing practice. Repeat each line right after you hear it. Focus on the rhythm and the way the words rise and fall.
Hi, Emma. Do you have a minute? I wanted to ask if I could take a day off tomorrow.
Yes, everything is fine. I just have a personal appointment.
Almost. I'll finish everything today.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Sure, David, what's going on? Is everything okay? I see. Have you finished your tasks for this week? Okay, that sounds fine. You can take the day off. No problem. Just let me know if you need anything.
Well done, you've completed all 4 parts of today's English speaking practice. Repeat this video every day for 1 week, and you'll notice a big improvement in your listening and speaking skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out another practice video right here. Keep going, your English will get better and better. See you next time.